Hey friends, if Windows 11 keeps crashing on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first and the most obvious solution is to remove peripherals. Why? Because peripherals keep pushing drivers to your computer, especially printers and scanners, and these drivers interfere with the drivers on your computer, and this causes blue screen of death errors. So the first approach should be to remove peripherals and isolate the cause. The second solution is a clean boot. Why a clean boot? Because what if a third party program installed on your system is causing the issue? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, click disable all, click apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next procedure is a check disk scan, but this is specific to systems with HDD drives, not the SSD ones. So you can perform a check disk scan which will check for bad sectors in your HDD drive and replace them if possible. Type the command chkdsk /f /r and hit enter to invoke the check disk scan. Now, one more issue can be if the fans are blocked. The system's fans are blocked, or it is at a very hot location, like inside a car or inside a glass room, a room made of glass. So it is always better to shift it to a cooler place to isolate this case. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery. Click on open system restore, click on next, select a go to restore point, click on next, and finally finish. And then reboot your system. This will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.